everybody, welcome. So if you've been following me for a little bit, you know I'm taking part in the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021, where each month a new maker will come up with a different theme for the month, and everybody will make something that relates to that. And so for the month of March, right? Yeah, March. Bruce at Jordan Woodwerx has come up with the theme of water. Thanks, Bruce. Straight to the hard one. But anyway, we'll get it done. And before I get started on that, I got a new sticker, and I recorded sticking it on the saw, but when I hit record, I promise it beeped. But for some reason it didn't start recording, so here we go. Rick at Wooden Treasures TN. He has got some very nice stuff. You should go check out his channel. And he also does some really nice stuff. He puts more on Instagram than he does YouTube, but it's impressive, so you should check him out. And without any more babbling, let's get to this one, see what we come up with. Well, it didn't really turn out the way I wanted. This is a sad little blank. But my cup, I didn't think about it. I haven't used these before for anything other than mixing. It obviously melted. I didn't lose any resin though, it just kind of spread out and melted down, but let's try it and see. Not sure if that's coming through or not, but there's some bubbles in there I didn't intend on getting, but I think it kind of fits with the theme of water. So yep, this is my water drop ornament. Tried to make it where it's like dropping off a piece of wood or something. And I like seeing the wood in there. Wasn't supposed to be so much white. I intended on having like streaks of white, like about seeing some kind of water, but when it melted, it just kind of blended together. But I don't know, I kind of like it. Regardless, what do you think, Bruce? Does this fit your intent? I hope so. Yep, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks again, Bruce, for coming up with this one. I'm sure there's lots of people going to make water drops, but they're not all going to look the same, so that's okay. So anyway, yeah, you guys go check out Bruce and check out Daniel at Tournage du Bois. He has, every month he'll have a playlist of that month's challenge and all the videos in it. I've got a few to catch up on because I've been kind of busy lately, so yep. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you in the next one.